Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a Moroccan lamb tagine with artichokes and green fava beans. So delicious and nutritious and also easy to make. Stay with me to see all the steps. You will love the taste and the combination of the artichoke with the fava beans and the lamb. So delicious. In the beginning, we take a pot, we put it on top of the stove. We add some olive oil, and I'm using here the red onions, chopped red onion, a big one. You can use the white onions or the yellow or the sweet ones, but for this tagine, I prefer the red onions. I will cook them a little bit until they become soft. Before that, I start adding the rest of the ingredients. Now we start changing in color and become transparent. This step is very important. Then I'm adding now the pieces of lamb. These some pieces of the shoulder. The shoulder is usually so delicious. The lamb from the lamb is a very delicious and soft part of the lamb. I have, you can see that is a big quantity here, but the lamb usually when it cooked, it shrunk. Then I'm adding here some garlic. Always in Moroccan cooking, most cooking, you add onions and garlic as a base. Then salt, depend on the quantity that you are using. Some pepper, black pepper. And ginger. This ginger, I dried this ginger home, organic ginger, and I blend it and make a ginger powder. Also, I did the same thing for the turmeric. I dried my turmeric roots and I make my own turmeric. If you can do it, it's good. If you can do it home, like now in summertime, it's easy to dry it home. Winter time will take longer time, but summertime is the perfect time if you want to dry some roots of some spices like ginger or turmeric. And I will leave the lamb get coated with the spices before I add the vegetables. Here you can see the fava beans and the artichokes. I buy them already frozen from the Arabic stores usually. That's where I find them. I boil here some water. I add some salt and lemon to it. The lemon will not leave the fava beans and the artichokes change color. That's very important to add lemon slices. I will boil this fava beans a little bit, like halfway cooking. And the artichoke is the same thing. Like that I will save time in cooking, but also to take the some of the bitterness from the fava beans and the artichoke. Usually I boil it a little bit before I add it to any cooking. And the lemon slices will preserve the nice color. For the lamb, I keep turning it until it gets all coated with the spices and gets brown from both sides. This step is important, like that the meat preserve all the juices and the flavors inside. Now at this step, I'm adding some water to cook the lamb. Be sure that the water is hot that you add, and don't add no cold water. You always add hot water. That's it. It's almost the enough quantity to cover the lamb. And I will cover it until it gets cooked and done. And after the lamb was almost done, I'm adding now the fava beans. You have to be sure that the meat is almost done before that you add your vegetables, because the lamb take longer time to cook. Then I'm adding here the artichoke on the top, like that. This tagine is very simple, but really it's very tasty. When you put the artichokes, you add some of the gravy on top of it, like that you get all the flavor of the lamb and get all the spices. That's how you do it until all of them have some kind of spices and flavor into it. Then you cover the pot and leave it in medium heat until it gets all well done, soft and tender. The artichoke and fava beans is almost done too. You need only a few minutes until you get all the flavor of the lamb and the gravy become more thick, is not watery, as you see here. And it looks well done here. You can taste the gravy. Also, I test the artichokes. They are soft. That means they are well done. All the everything is soft and good. Even I flip it to the other side, is soft also. It's not hard. At this point, that's it. You turn the stove off, and the lamb tagine with the artichokes and fava beans is ready to be served. That was a very tasty tagine, one of the traditional tagines in Morocco, lamb with artichokes and fava beans. I hope you try it and let me know in the comments how did you like it. See you next time in a new video and new recipe. Enjoy!